Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a digital business card in Canva. So I'm using Canva PC version. You can get it for free. You can do it for free from official website of Canva. Don't forget to sign in or sign up with your account. So to get started, you can click apps, then click a design essentials, scroll down and try to find type card. Create your digital business card and share it on your designs with a QR code, ideal for adding to physical business card. So you can click use in new design. Let's pick the aspect ratio business card. So here you can type your name, for example this one, and you can choose the profile photo. Then here job title, for example a company name, then this is the contact details, and the phone number, and the website. Okay, let's try and the social links. Maybe you want to insert this one, for example Instagram, and click to create business card. So there, please enter a valid link. So maybe not, so wait a moment, and here we go. So your digital business card is published and ready to share. You can click to view it in here. You can click continue, and also you can connect with type card in order to create a free type card account. And also here you can if you go back, you can see the barcode. So this is you can scan that barcode into link with your business card information. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Press the contact button below. See you in the next video.